Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kadriana Schofield. If you're new, welcome. But today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make a lace closure wig. And this video will be part 2 of the 3-part series that I'm having on my channel. The first one was me showing you all how I colored it, and this one is showing you all how I installed the bundles. If you're interested in the color, be sure to check out the video. I will link it in the description box or above. So right now I'm showing you all how I installed the closure, but at the beginning of the video I showed you all the materials that you would need, and for this video you will need a needle, thread, scissors, and the hair that you will be using. And you will also need a dome cap that fits everyone, and you will also need a mannequin head. But I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I feel like it's better if you all watch and to get a feel of it. So I'm just going to stop talking and let y'all enjoy the video. For those of you that are wondering what I mean when I say knot the thread, that is what I am doing when I am wrapping the thread around the needle, then pulling like I just did. So right here I'm just adding leave-in conditioner onto the hair because it was dry, and this is because I bleached it blonde, and anytime that you bleach hair you have to make sure that it's conditioned because it will get dry and brittle. Okay, so now we're at the end of the video. I'm just going to cut the lace off the closure. And don't forget to cut the part of the cap that the closure is on top of, so that you will not be able to see the black. And this is the final look, y'all. Feel free to let me know what y'all think about it in the comment box. And this wig is also for sale, so if anybody want to buy it, just let me know. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all.